Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Coming up on Sibongile and the Dlaminis on Monday, Kwenzu's shocking revelation about Gcina and Vusi finds support from an unlikely ally. Njengaye and Phetheni give Vusi an ultimatum. Samke's big reveal takes an emotional Vuma by surprise. On Tuesday, Gcina seems to finally catch up with her. Vuma's heart is warmed as Samke proves to be a godsend. Elsewhere, Velepi and Qiniso are adamant about building a career out of Velepi's dance skills. On Wednesday, taking advantage of a vulnerable Vusi, Jabu gets a chance to dig for dirt. Meanwhile, Samke makes an impression on Mbalenhle. Sipho feels abandoned by Velepi. Thank you for watching.